If you are a woman over 40, you have probably noticed that the skincare products that worked beautifully in your 20s and 30s just are not cutting it anymore. You might be struggling with a dull complexion, persistent hyperpigmentation, a broken skin barrier, or that frustrating, tight ashen look that leaves your face feeling completely dehydrated halfway through the day. The most common complaint from women in our age group is that we are told to constantly pile on heavy, expensive anti-aging creams, yet our skin stays dry, texturized, and prone to sudden breakouts. According to recent articles featured in major beauty magazines, high-end, heavy cream luxury facials are missing the mark because they only treat the dead surface layer of the skin. Top tier, licensed estheticians and dermatologists are speaking out against this, explicitly warning that you cannot fix chronic cellular dehydration from the outside alone. Today, we are busting the biggest myths in the beauty industry and introducing an updated, clinical-grade routine that merges inside-out cellular nutrition with a soothing, expert-approved topical barrier repair system designed specifically for mature skin. Inside-out skin medicine. The true secret to reversing aging skin timelines starts directly in your gut, which is why leading facialists are now shifting toward inside-out skin renewal via dietary nutrient synergy. To fundamentally support your skin's health, you need a daily powerhouse green smoothie that serves as an internal cosmetic treatment, especially when paired with a wellness routine like daily intermittent fasting. Our skin-transforming smoothie base blends raw kale and fresh watercress with frozen peaches, bananas, and mangoes, paired with an unsweetened organic coconut beverage and plain coconut yogurt. This liquid base is completely free of the hidden industrial thickeners and carrageenan found in cheap nut milk blends that irritate a fasting gut. The healthy fats and electrolytes from the pure coconut milk coat your stomach, acting as a metabolic hydration brake that forces the natural fruit sugars to release into your bloodstream as a slow, steady trickle rather than a sharp spike. This protects your insulin and keeps your blood sugar flat and stable while fasting, preventing the inflammation and midday energy crashes that rob your face of its natural vitality. Furthermore, the raw kale, watercress, and tropical fruits flood your cells with a high-powered concentration of vitamin C, the absolute mandatory cofactor your body needs to synthesize new collagen to keep your skin firm, elastic, and plump. The bright greens deliver heavy amounts of chlorophyll, structurally like hemoglobin, which dramatically optimizes oxygen delivery to your facial tissue, while the beta-carotene from the mangoes acts as an internal UV shield to absorb sun radiation and naturally fade dark spots over time. But the true holy grail for skin density is the addition of chia seeds, broccoli sprouts, and microgreens. Harvested at their earliest growth stage, these young sprouts contain up to 40 times more concentrated skin nutrients than fully grown plants. They provide a massive dose of vitamin K to strengthen your microscopic facial capillaries, which calms systemic facial redness and clears away under-eye circles. More importantly, chewing or blending broccoli sprouts unlock a clinical compound called sulforaphane, which activates your body's master antioxidant pathway, neutralizing environmental toxins and heavy metals so your liver can clear your complexion from the inside out. Swallowing your organic spirulina tablets right alongside this smoothie ensures its fat-soluble vitamins are completely absorbed by the healthy fats in the chia and coconut yogurt, giving you a smooth, long-burning energy runway and an undeniable cellular glow. Now let's dive into the topical side of this routine, starting with a massive myth buster that has been floating around social media. If you scroll through standard skincare channels, you will constantly see creators claiming that heavy plant fats like raw shea butter and mango butter should be completely avoided on the face because they cause clogged pores. While that blanket warning is true for highly comedogenic fats like cocoa butter or coconut oil, expert dermatologists specializing in diverse complexions have completely debunked this rule for women with melanin-rich skin. Biologically, darker skin complexions naturally exhibit much higher rates of transepidermal water loss, meaning moisture evaporates out of the skin barrier much faster, leading to a dull, dry, ashen appearance. Lightweight, water-based moisturizers evaporate too quickly to stop this process. Pure, unrefined shea butter and mango butter have an incredibly low comedogenic rating of 0 to 2, and they are packed with natural vitamin A and vitamin E. These plant butters melt instantly at body temperature, creating a breathable, semi-occlusive lipid shield that locks water into the skin layers to provide a vibrant, long-lasting melanin glow while speeding up cellular turnover to safely fade stubborn hyperpigmentation, dark spots without altering your healthy skin tone. To get these incredible topical benefits without ever clogging your pores, successful spa business owners who have gone viral for their barrier repair facials recommend a strict sequential routine, especially after performing a deep cleansing bentonite clay mask. Because clay acts like a powerful magnet pulling excess oil and moisture out of your face, you must immediately follow a precise order. Tone first to hydrate, treat second to repair, and moisturize third to lock it all in. We start by properly toning the skin using a generous spritz of pure, alcohol-free rosewater hydrosol or a soothing aloe mist onto damp skin to instantly reset your pH balance and flood the outer layer with water cells. Next comes the treat step. Smooth your water-based vitamin C serum directly onto that damp, toned skin to target dark spots and let it absorb completely for 2 minutes until it is dry to the touch. Finally, we execute the ultimate melanin lock. Instead of mixing things directly in your hand, which ruins the acidic pH that vitamin C needs to stay active, take a pea-sized amount of raw, unrefined shea or mango butter, add 1 single drop of pure black seed oil, and rub your palms together. Press this warm, melted elixir gently into your face. The active thymoquinone in the black seed oil penetrates deeply to fight cellular inflammation and acne bacteria, while the fatty acids in the plant butter repair your skin's lipid barrier, trapping the volatile vitamin C and rose water underneath to keep your skin remarkably plump, calm, and protected all night. Here's the spa secret to help you achieve beautiful skin. To take your weekly self-care routine to an absolute professional level, we are stealing a secret technique from high-end holistic spas, the therapeutic herbal facial steam. Steaming can be incredibly effective for softening sebum and dead skin cells before your clay mask, but for dry, sensitive skin over 40, you must avoid the dangerous trend of dropping pure, concentrated essential oils into your steaming water, which can cause chemical contact burns and severe facial flushing. Instead, bring 3 to 4 cups of spring water to a boil, turn off the heat, toss in 2 tablespoons of a gentle, loose-leaf herbal tea blend, like organic chamomile flowers for its redness-calming chamazulene, calendula petals for barrier healing, or loose green jasmine tea for its puffiness-reducing antioxidants, and cover the pot with a lid immediately to trap the volatile botanical vapors. Lean over the bowl, keeping your face safe 10 to 12 inches away so the mist feels warm, never hot or suffocating, and drape a large towel over your head to form a tent for exactly 3 to 5 minutes maximum. On daily cleansing days when you aren't doing a full mask and steam, you can maintain this incredible hydration by ditching harsh, alkaline cleansers like Castile soap, which has a pH of 9 and strips away your skin's natural acid mantle, causing flaking and redness. Instead, practice the oil cleansing method using raw, unrefined coconut oil, because the molecular principle of skincare is that like dissolves like, massaging a pea-sized amount of coconut oil onto dry skin effortlessly binds to and melts away daily dirt, hardened sebum, and environmental pollution without any friction or harsh detergents. Wipe it clean with a warm, damp washcloth, then finish with a generous mist of your pure rosewater hydrosol to lock in that fresh moisture. To supplement your holistic routine of green smoothies, herbal steaming, and oil cleansing, here are 3 of the top expert-approved products that specifically help women over 40 elevate their facial experience to a clinical level at home. 1. The Gym for Your Face product, New Face Trinity Plus Facial Toning Device. Why it works for over 40. As we age, the muscles underneath our skin lose tone, leading to sagging along the jawline and cheeks. While your black seed oil treats the surface, this microcurrent device treats the structure. It sends gentle electrical waves through the skin to contract and train the facial muscles, lifting the eyebrows and defining the jawline. How to use it. Use it for 5 minutes in the morning before your oil cleansing routine. It works best on clean skin with a conductive gel or aloe vera, giving you an instant lifted look before you even start your day. 2. The Collagen Builder product Omnilux Contour Face LED Mask. Why it works for over 40. This mask is frequently cited by dermatologists as the gold standard for at-home light therapy. Unlike rigid plastic masks, it uses flexible silicone that molds to your face, ensuring the medical-grade red and near-infrared LED lights penetrate deep into the dermis. A recent article in a popular beauty magazine noted that his specific wavelength, which has proven to be 633 nanometers and 830 nanometers, is clinically proven to stimulate new collagen production and reduce fine lines, perfectly complementing the internal vitamin C from your green smoothie. I suggest for further research to check out near-infrared light stems from a landmark, peer-reviewed clinical trial published in the Journal of Cosmetic and Laser Therapy. Now let's discuss how to use it. Wear it for 10 minutes while you relax after your evening oil cleanse. It pairs beautifully with the calming effects of your herbal tea routine.